So let me show you this beautiful clothes rack, this organizer made out of bamboo. This is how it comes packaged. And let's go ahead and put it together. Here's everything out of the box, the little storage cubbies, the little handles, the screws, the tools you need, and everything else. So this is the dresser all assembled. You can see it looks really nice. Has 2 racks to hang clothes, little shelf on the bottom, and the 2 drawers. So the dresser's all set up. As you can see, I have my daughter's jackets on the top rack, her shirts on the middle rack, and she's helping out by hanging up some of her clothes and bringing extra hangers. And down here, I put some of her shoes, and in this little drawer, I put her Pampers. So, really nice dresser for kids. Awesome for my daughter's clothes because she loves to grab her own clothes, and it's at her height, as you can see.